So what to do when you have already baked successfully one time that rye bread? What to do with the frozen ball of dough? Well, we will revive it by adding warm water and some rye flour. And then of course we'll need to wait for the next day. I was lucky this one was very vivid and smelling sour and fresh, so I would be able to use it right away. Then I just make the same kind of dough as before, but this time I used the whole starter. And because I used all of the starter, I will need to add more flour and also more salt and sugar. Here I was thinking that what should I be doing with the dough this time, and maybe I should make a big loaf. Even though I do like the small ones better because they are easier to freeze and also to use by one and put to the toaster. Remember to use plenty of rye flour when kneading this one. And here I'm trying to use the paper below. That's not a good idea. It's so much easier to do on a wooden table or tabletop. 1 more hour of proofing and to the oven it goes. You can check if it's ready by tapping it from below. If it sounds like this, it's ready.